So I found this Muppet in my room. I've had this for like over 15 years. Like I said, check out this link above. I'm gonna see if Mel remembers him. Mel, hey, hey. Oh, you do. Meow, meow. Oh, my freaking hand, bro. Ow. Oh, wow, you remember this guy. Anything that you throw in the way of Mel, he'll run away. Apparently, he remembers this guy. Used to always wrestle with this, puppet when he was younger. When I had him, I think, the first year. Oh, wow, he remembers. Mel, you're freaking strong. Let go of my hand. What's going on, you guys? Welcome back. I am in the garage right here, 7 o'clock in the late evening, and just been running errands all day. Got a little fade, a little lineup for my cousin. He got off of work while I was driving around town. Stopped by, got a quick fade. My hat now goes on without me looking all retarded with my hair sticking out on the side, you feel me? And right now, I am going to be moving the CRX around so we could have the door on this end. Actually, the sun's not here. So I may be possibly move the car backward so we can swing the door wide open and move the transmission so the door doesn't like get all dinged up from the motor mount. And I could possibly cut the door with the car in this position. I went to Home Depot earlier. I got some new bits, some new cutting disc, and new flat stock for making the mounts to keep the windows up, given that I used the last bit of it yesterday or last night. I'm not going to show you guys too much process of it other than little snippets of it throughout the whole dieting of the driver's side door, since we already covered it in the last video. And less recording means more work getting done, and if we finish a lot quicker than we did on the passenger door, maybe we can move on to something else. These were the cuts that I obtained yesterday. That one right there is pretty deep. Anyways, so before I get crazy with the cutting, I want to show you guys this door with the seatbelt. This unit alone is like, I'm gonna exaggerate, 10 pounds. All right, but I'm gonna take it off and I'm gonna grab a weight right there, a 10-pound, and compare the difference. But this right here alone is super heavy. I'm gonna remove this. I am going to remove the harness. I am going to remove, this, make my outline, and go ham with the grinder. I must say, the cutting of this web is going a lot quicker than that side. So I got all of this pretty much cut through and dug the disc into the double sheeted metal areas like this right here. I actually cut all the way through to the other side. And the tricky part is that corner, because that one has like some crazy ass webbing back there that this guy cannot reach even with a brand new 4.5 disc. But for the most part, I can sawzall through all of that. I got all the batteries charging right now. I'm gonna try to pry this off and get most of it out of the way like I did that one, and then we can start trimming away all the extra webbing that's still spot welded into the door itself. I just quickly want to say, what are those? Holy shit, like somebody took a diarrhea in this mother. At first I thought this was Bondo, but it's not, and it's not super hard. Oh my god, it's underneath the bottom. Oh, that's a glob. Yeah, I don't know if I can feed the window wire through this. Okay, it's hollow here. Maybe I can try to shove it up and then cut it across. Anyways, I got this portion out. The areas that I cut around right there and right there, these are the sides that has the double sheet metal, other than the top right here, which I already cut through. I'm gonna feed the Sawzall through this and cut through this guy right here, or I can get to the spot welds, 1 2 3 4, I believe 5, and then this whole thing can come out. But it'll be hard for me to maneuver underneath. What I did on the other side was I drilled it from the top, but I had all of this sheet out, so I don't know, we'll figure it out. We're losing daylight. So it seems that this car has some previous major damage. That is all Bondo. So they use a spot weld gun. You can see it right there. Pulled this door skin out and then filled it in with a ton of Bondo. Now, you may wonder, yes, this is shop towels. I guess trying to deaden the sound, rattling or something. Shop towels and a bunch of glue. It was a little tough to get through all of this because this guy appeared to be stuck somewhere here, and I wasn't able to saw through it, but took the flathead, pried it, shoved it through, pulled it, and we were able to remove this crash beam. So what I'm going to do right now is just kind of remove, this is at least 100 pounds, all this freaking goo. I'm going to use my razor blade to cut out as much as I can, and then, oh Jesus, and then we'll fix the window in place, and then we'll make those little brackets. I'm sure I don't have to explain that again, but we'll make those brackets, and then we'll button up the door panel and be done with this door process. This took a little bit longer because I am on the side where the raccoons are at, and they're here somewhere. Anyways, got the bracket for the window welded on, pretty sturdy, and I'm gonna prime it, or not prime it, but I'm gonna flat black it so that way the bare metal is protected, and then we're gonna put the door panel back on. Now, I said I was going to do some other things if we can finish this a little earlier, but that's not the case. My dumbass also cut right through this when I was cutting this guy, so I welded that back, but the function doesn't even work anymore. So as long as the door handle works, I ain't tripping. Anyways, yeah, so I'm going to button it up. It's like 10:30 right now. Door panel's not fully secured because I only got one clip right in the middle. Like I said, I'm gonna have to hit up Eugene and get the complete clips for the doors so I can clip them onto the door surface itself, so we can prevent the door talking to me. What the hell? Crap. Oh, I know what happened. There was a piece of metal where I cut from the inner skin, and then I hammered it because I was bending it back and forth and it wedged that way, so I hammered it back flat this way, and I might have hammered it too hard. Now, the beautiful part about Rust-Oleum, I could literally tape off the top of the molding and all of this, sand this completely down, light filler over it, and then I could just spray it really quickly. It's pretty hot out, so Rust-Oleum would, I mean, when it's hot out, the Rust-Oleum becomes sticky, but once it cools down, it'll solidify, if that makes any sense. But this is not a big deal. Another day I'll find time to redo this top of the door. I prevented the heat from the weld from coming through by squirting water on the backside while it was you know, hot in the backside, and we were looking good. But anyways, doors closed. I'm gonna wrap it up, but first I just want to let you guys know, if y'all made it to the end of this video, that's right. If you guys watched the last video, I went to the post office. I didn't have 2 forms of ID, so I couldn't open a P.O. box. But today, the first thing I did on my errand run was the post office. So, finally got a P.O. box, guys, and I'll put the address to my P.O. box in the description below, and also right here. So for all of those that's been asking about P.O. box and been wanting to send me whatever it is, now you guys have a P.O. box to send it to, and no more sending to my grandma's house. I didn't get to do anything else today. There's blood on my hand. Anyways, so I didn't get to do anything else as planned today, but progress is definitely better than no progress. Now we got both my doors dieted and super lightened. Tomorrow I'm probably going to throw the skinnies on it and squat the car. But like I said, that's going to wrap it up for this video. Tomorrow I'm probably going to put all the bumper and stuff back on, and then you know, kind of overlook the car, button it up, and then we'll pick a date to go bring this car back to the track, because just like you guys, I am eager to turbo the car, and I can't wait for all the fabrication being fabbed for the car. So just stick around, guys. It'll come soon. Other than that, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. My monkey says bye-bye, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.